take a look at this phantom wallet. $1.85 million, all made from launching meme coins. No hype, just a strategy that prints. If you want in, stay locked in. I'm showing you exactly how I pulled this off. Now, when I was broke, I used to spend hours sniping meme coins, chasing charts, and hoping for that perfect entry. But I just kept losing over and over again. The whole game changed when I realized the real winners aren't buying, they're launching. Launching a meme coin means you're the one setting the rules. You control the entire supply, the timing, and the whole entire narrative. You're not stuck buying someone else's hype and then getting dumped on. You will actually be the one creating the coin, you will be the first ever buyer, and then you will be capitalizing off every single buy after you to just cash out after. And right now is the best time to start launching meme coins because Solana is at $162 and Bitcoin is at the all-time high at $117. And that's exactly why in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your very first Solana meme coin on the blockchain and then cash out to make a shit ton of money. But obviously this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please don't copy me. Pump.Fun is flooded. There are hundreds of coins launching every hour and most don't even last 15 minutes. You drop a project there and it's buried before it even gets a chance. That's exactly why I switched completely to create token.Fun. When you launch there, your coin goes live on Radium instantly. No graduation, no bottlenecks, buyers can trade your coin right away, and your project gets way more visibility. Plus, you're not stuck in a stupid bonding curve or in a locked liquidity situation. You are in control from start to finish. If you actually want your coin to get volume and real attention, create token.Fun is where you do it. Now, when you're ready to launch your meme coin on create token.Fun, you've got two clean options. First, you can build one from scratch. You pick a viral narrative. Maybe it's a political moment, a Twitter meme, or something random that's blowing up online. Then give your token a name, a symbol, and upload a quick 128 by 128 logo. Click next, and just like that, your token is ready to move forward. But if you're like me and you want faster results, the second option is the shortcut, the copy trending coins tab. This section pulls proven winners straight from Pump.Fun, the ones that are already trending and getting volume. All you do is you click copy and it's immediately listed onto Radium with none of the delays. The hype is already baked in, so your launch gets traffic fast. No tweaking, no guessing, just launch and watch buyers roll in. In my opinion, if you want quick money right now, the second option is the one to go. But I'm gonna stop yapping obviously and let's launch a coin and make some money. So I'm gonna refresh the list first and make sure your wallet is connected, and then I'm gonna look for a coin. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I think the retarded coin just caught my attention. It has a last buy 14 seconds ago. It has a Twitter, a Pump.Fun, $35,000 market cap, and it looks good. So I'm gonna click on create coin. It should be copied, and yes, you will get the warning pop up. It's completely normal, just proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied shortly. Just be patient. Boom. And if I go on SoulScan real quick, you can see that it's officially minted on chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this screen is pretty simple. Basically, we want to make our coin tradable on the Radium DEX, right? So by creating the liquidity pool, so here's like your coin, token B right here, it's just a Solana balance. It should be auto selected. Right under amount token A, click on 90%, that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. I would highly recommend that number. And for the amount token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin. You will be the first buyer inside your own coin. I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I usually put 0.4 Solana just to be safe. Make sure you have enough in your wallet, and you will not lose this money, okay? You will get it back at the end after you remove the liquidity. Now click on create pool. Your phantom should pop up, and then click on confirm. After that, you can just click on refresh right under here, And after that, if you scroll down, yes sir, it popped up. The retard coin is officially live on the Radium pool. You guys can see the P&L, it's at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh right here, you will see the profits go up, potentially. Boom, we're up $140 now, which is really good. It's a really good sign for a coin, which means that it's getting buys right now at the moment. Now, to see the chart and the coin, click on view on Photon, and now the coin is live. Just wait a bit because it is brand new. Okay, just give it a sec. Boom, $4 buys. Okay, the buys are coming in a bit late. Yeah, I think I got a reef. Now it's good. We're at a $350 market cap. Let me go on full screen for you guys. Okay, we are getting buys actively at the moment. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, it's shooting up. It's going up already. We got a $64 buy. We're at a 1.5k market cap already. Now, usually when I launch coins on the Radium Dex, these coins go to around 5k, 10k, 20k market cap. And if you get really lucky, your coin could go to like hundreds of thousands of dollars in market cap. And if you do achieve that, bro, your life is basically changed forever. We're almost at the 3k market cap. I think we should be up a couple $100, maybe $1,000. I'm not sure. Now, I'm going to give this coin around 3 to 5 minutes for a time lapse, and we're going to be right back to see where it's at. So yeah, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're at a $15,000 market cap. I think it's time to take out some profits and show you guys how it's fucking done. So first of all, you'll want to come back to create tokens.Fun, and then first of all, click on refresh to check our profits. Okay, we're up 3.7 bands on this fucking coin with a $20,000 market cap. But anyways, it doesn't matter. Click on the minus button to cash out some profits. And here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. If you do 100%, you're going to remove around 3.7 thousand. But I personally believe in the project still. I think it can go really high. So I'm going to do 50%. After that, click on remove liquidity and your phantom wallet should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 10 SO straight into our wallet, which is like half of the supply, and then click on confirm. And boom, we just removed the liquidity. If you want to remove the rest, then just do it again. And if I open my Phantom wallet, we should have like 1.8 bands. Yes sir, that's 10 SO into our wallet, straight profits. Let's fucking go. And before you go launch a coin, if you want to win 3 SO like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And now bro, peace out.